I am over my hair and the damn red blemishes in my face. So we're gonna try some new products today and have some fun and look good even on lockdown, bitch. So since the last recording, I've been using the Clean and Clear foam cleanser for my face, and actually it's been clearing up a lot. I noticed a lot less redness. I noticed less blemishes. However, it dries my face out a little bit too much. So I got some new products to try out. So now I'm actually going to try Urban Skin RX Melanin Experts 3-in-1 treatment. It's actually a cleanser, an exfoliator, and a mask. And it comes with a little sponge, so I'm excited. I'll let you guys know what I think over the course of about a week or two, because I hate just using a product right away and being like, oh yeah, it works great. Like, you don't know if it works great, you used it once. So I'm actually gonna be sticking to this, let you know how I feel. I also grabbed a little facial scrub for quick scrubs in between. And it is from Shea Moisture. I love Shea Moisture. They make great products. I also got a new facial toner with Witch Hazel and Lavendar. I'm excited to try this out. Keep my skin refreshed, keep it nice and taut. And of course, grooming is essential during lockdown and quarantine. And I've been seeing all these ads for razors and of course manscaping. Manscaped being one of the damn ads. It actually might be on this damn video, to be honest. But I've been searching online to see products, to see which ones are the best. And I actually ended up ordering a Manscaped, which hasn't arrived in the mail, just because I want to review it. So I also got the Phillips Nirelco, which is like a nose hair trimmer, and it helps you do your eyebrows, keep them sharp and on point. You already know. And this was another highly recommended razor for face and body, and this might just beat out the Manscaped. I mean, it already got here, so it's already winning. But I want to test them side by side and see. But this is the Phillips One Blade. It's also a Nirelco product. So I'm excited to use this. I'm excited to test this out. I'm actually going to jump in the shower and shave and try this new face wash. See how I feel. I'll let you guys know how I feel on my first take. Last time in the video, we also used some Tresemme to detangle my hair. But it is quarantine lockdown and we're all on a budget. So today I'm going to use some VO5 because everyone can get that everywhere. Just to see if it works, to see how it looks on my hair, to see if you like it, because it might be something you want to try. So we're going to hop in the shower, we're going to try these products, and I'll see you guys soon. Whew. Oh man, yes, I feel refreshed. I feel like a brand new person. What? Come on, hair, give me that bounce and that flip. I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of like the way that the VO5 left my hair better than the Tresemme, bitch. Yes, that VO5 really did its work with the curls, bitch. Look at this. Look at how hydrated and how bouncy and how flippable these curls are. I also, honestly, I love the nose trimmer. Fantastic. I was able to get the nose and the ears. This worked very great. Worked like a charm. But the golden child is this. The One Blade. The Phillips One Blade is the ultimate razor. I mean, like, one swoop and I was taking off just chunks. And so just to test it out, I also added the body hair adapter. I did a little bit of shave on the chest. Worked fantastic. Doesn't feel uncomfortable. Looks noticeably more even and clean cut. I even tested it in the sensitive areas, even though I'm waiting for the Manscaped to test that out there. But this worked like a charm. Like, I might not even need that Manscaped. I might just return that shit, or like not get the refills. I guess I'm not gonna return the razor. That's just weird. But this is next. This is my new manscaping companion. This bitch right here. Yes. Oh, love it. And as I mentioned, I'm going to take a little bit of time and actually try this Urban Skin RX for about a week or so. But I will say that when you open it, you get two sponges, and they're like paper thin. And then once they get wet, they expand, which is really fantastic. After you use it, leave your sponge out to dry. Honestly, using it one time, my face, like right after when I was rinsing, felt softer. It felt smoother and softer, and I definitely noticed a difference in my skin tone. It looks a lot more even more so than when I was using that Clean and Clear. So far I love it. We're gonna use it for about a week and see how it goes, see if that result lasts or gets better, hopefully, fingers crossed. And I finished off the facial cleaning with the facial toner with Witch Hazel. It smells fantastic. It's Witch Hazel and Lavendar, and it felt very comforting as I was putting it on. So I enjoy this, and I can't wait to see the results of these two combined. And of course, I will be mixing in the Shea Moisture as we go along, but I did just try that Urban Skin RX, and bitch, yes. Like last time, I gave myself a little radiant glow with the Vino. That's my little a post, okay? But this Urban RX is great so far. I cannot get over this. I cannot get over this. This is like the one. I can't wait because now when I get that little Manscaped or whatever, that'll be the competition. This versus that, we're gonna see who the wins. Cause, oh, come on, Phillips, you better. I didn't give you a little protector case for the top. You better. Y'all, I don't know, I feel refreshed. I love these new products. You can get them at Target. Some things like the VO5 shampoo and conditioner you can get at the dollar store. I try to do everything on a budget this time because I want to make sure that we can all afford it, especially since we're all stuck inside anyway. But really fantastic. And as for lips, before we go, if you want to give yourself like a little bit of shine, of course, Carmex always. I personally love the Burt's Bees Wax Lip Balm. Both fantastic, but Burt's Bees is my favorite one, like by far. But y'all, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you were able to get refreshed. I hope that you got some insight from this and this can help you out if you're buying products, if you need something for your hair or your skin. I feel amazing. Bitch, hello darling. Okay. I love it, y'all. Make sure that you check out some more quarantine self-care videos and some more great videos. Smash like, smash subscribe, ring that bell, and comment below, y'all. I'll see you next time. Let's look good this quarantine.